Hot Reload is now finally available for Flutter Web in beta, and this changes everything. Let me show you how it works. I have already opened up a Flutter project in VS Code. Now let's run this application by pressing F5. Our application is getting launched on Chrome. And now to see the hot reload in action for Flutter Web, let's first increment the counter value. Okay. And now let's make a change over here. Okay. Hit save. As we can see, our change got reflected in the Flutter Web application instantly, but our counter value is still the same. That means our app state is preserved. And if we look at the debug console, we can see a log reloaded application in 57 milliseconds. And this is how the hot reload works for Flutter Web in beta. This means faster iteration, smoother development. And if you want to try this out right now, here is how you can enable hot reload for Flutter Web in beta. Open up terminal and make sure you are on the beta channel. To change to the beta channel, you can execute command flutter channel beta, which will switch to the beta channel. And we have successfully switched to the beta channel. After that, execute command flutter upgrade, which will install the update available on the beta channel. I have already installed the update, so I will skip this step. And let's execute command flutter -- version. Make sure you have the version 3.31 and above installed on your machine. Now let's go to the VS Code. And now let's run our application by executing the command flutter run -d Chrome. And we have to add a new flag, web experimental hot reload. Let's hit enter. It's now launching our application on Chrome. And if we look at the terminal, we have to press r to trigger the hot reload. Now let's increment the counter value. Let's make the change again from my counter app to counter app. Hit save. Let's go to the terminal and hit r. As we can see, VSC log reloaded application in 141 millisecond. And we can see that change in the web application, and our counter value is still the same. That means our app state is preserved. So this is how the hot reload works. There is also another way to trigger the hot reload in web. Let's look at that one. So let's hit Ctrl+C to get out of it. And now let's open up the launch.json file. Okay. And we have to add, and we just have to add this configuration. It's the same command that we have just executed in the terminal, but expressed in a different way. And this is the flag that we have added in the terminal as well, web experimental hot reload. Now we can just go to the run and debug option. And here we can see the configuration that we have just added, Flutter for web. We can just click on this play button and deploy our application on Chrome. Our application is launched. Now let's go back to the main.dart. Let's change the text. Save, and as we can see in the debug console, reloaded the application, and our change is also been reflected. And that's it. Our Flutter project is now running with hot reload enable in beta. Are you excited to try it out? Then let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn the difference between hot reload and hot restart, check out the video on the screen. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!